Skyler, also known as SDV. I'm in the house, so SD's in the house. And I'm Kay Diggle, also known as Carolina, but I like Kay Diggle. It's plain. Yeah. And today we're going to be rapping about microscope care. Best rap. Best kind of rap. Yeah. We're good. Woo! Okay. Well, you ready? I'm ready. No fingers on the lenses, so use lenses or a microfiber towel. It depends how you clean it, and for this app, we're not trying to wing it. When you're done using the microscope, or take that dusting so down low. Be careful not to drop it on the floor. You got one hand on the arm and one on the base. If you drop it to the floor, look at the look on your face. Always put on a dust cover if you're a microscope lover. Dust is bad. Dust is not good. Be careful there's no dust in your microscope hood. This app is dedicated to Miss Rankin. We love you!